Hey guys, it's Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today in front of me on the table, I've got our tune-up kit for your 2007 to 11 JK equipped with a 3.8 liter engine. Now, as you guys know, the 2007 Jeep is getting up there in years. It's 14 years old, so you can imagine that some of the components are pretty worn out and pretty tired out as well. Now here at CJ's, we haven't forgot about those older JKs, so we created a tune-up kit here for your spark plugs, your spark plug wires, and your distributor here to make sure that you can completely update it and keep it running for as long as possible. Now with our tune-up kit, we include a bunch of different things in this specific kit here. It's also going to include your distributor block, which is a direct OE replacement and is going to really improve performance and function of your JK. And then perhaps the best feature are these Accel Spark Plug Wires. These are actually ceramic coated at the end, and if you listen, they're really hard and they're going to be durable up to 9,000 degrees. So these things are not going to melt on you, and they're going to keep that spark throughout the entire life of your engine. Now these tune-up kits are available for the 07 to 11 JK with a 3.8 liter, but if you have a newer JK with a 3.6 and you're also looking to do this, we have that kit as well. Now if you want to keep your Jeep performing and running as well as when you bought it, be sure to check out one of these performance tune-up kits right here at cjponyparts.com.